Hey everyone, are you thinking about switching from Google Chrome to Mozilla Firefox, but worried about losing your bookmarks, passwords, history, and settings? Don't worry. Firefox makes it simple to move your data so you can keep browsing without starting over. Today, we will show you how to move all your important data from Chrome to Firefox quickly and safely. Moving your data from Chrome to Firefox helps make switching browsers easy and stress-free by bringing over your bookmarks, saved passwords, browsing history, and other settings. This way, you can continue browsing just like before. This saves time, avoids the trouble of setting everything up again, and helps you stay productive. Moving your data also lets you enjoy Firefox's privacy features and performance, while keeping the information you use every day. Now, let's look at how to transfer your data from Chrome to Firefox. First, open your Firefox browser. Next, go to Settings in the upper right corner of your browser. Click there. Then, click this one and go to Settings. In Settings, you will see options like Home, Search, Privacy, Security, Sync, Firefox Apps, and more from Mozilla. Since we want to sync, just click Sync. In the Sync section, you can log into your account here using your Gmail account. This helps you log in and connect your Chrome account to your Firefox account easily. After you log in, a Sync button will appear. It may say Manage List for managing your sync. You can disconnect this button if you are already logged in, and then click Connect and log in to the Google account you want. This lets you sync your bookmarks, history, passwords, addresses, payment methods, and all your settings from Chrome to Firefox. Then, just click Sync Now to move all your files from Chrome to Firefox. Click this one, and once it pops up, it's done. Your data will now sync. You can also choose another device here if you want to link your data to your mobile or another desktop. That's how we move all our data from Chrome to Firefox. Once the import is complete, you can use Firefox with all your familiar bookmarks and settings. Take a moment to check your settings and make sure everything moved over correctly.